Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to another coin hunt. This is an animal coin hunt which I've designated ACH 32. The first coin that we have is from Trinidad and Tobago. It is a 5-cent coin from 2012. On this side we have the coat of arms, the year, the country and the year. On the reverse side we have a bird of paradise and we also have the value. There is no mintage available for this coin for this year. The second coin in this animal coin hunt, let's get that the right way up, there we go. It's from South Africa and it's a 2-cent coin from 1980. On this side we have the coat of arms, the year and the country. On the reverse we have the value of 2 cents and a wildebeest, a charging wildebeest. The mintage for this 1980 coin is 37,795,000. The third coin has a late Majesty Queen Elizabeth II on the front, along with the country name and the year. The country is Australia, the year is 1976, and the coin is a 2-cent coin. On the reverse of that 2-cent coin we have the value and also a picture or an image of a frilled lizard. The mintage for this 1976 coin is 71,882,000. The next coin is a Diddy one, and it's a Diddy one from the Bahamas from the year 2009. It is a 1-cent coin. On this side we have the coat of arms, the country and the year. On the reverse of this Diddy coin, there we go, we have the valuation across the top and a starfish. For this 2009 coin we have no mintage figures. There we go, we have a picture of Marianne. That portrait of Marianne must give you the clue that it is a French coin from the year was 1951 and the value is 10 francs. On this side of the coin we have Marianne herself plus the name of the country. On the reverse of the coin, the right way, there we go, we have the value and a cockerel. We also have the year. The mintage for this coin from 1951 is 153,689,000. This one is a little bit different. We don't normally see Icelandic coins. We normally see are sort of one kroner upwards, and they're silver. This is a brass coin. It has one of the 4 legends, and that legend is Dreki the dragon. You also have the country name on this side of the coin. This is a 50 Aura coin, that's A-U-R-A-R, and it's from 1986. If we turn Dreki over, we see that the valuation is there at 50, and we also have a shrimp, which is yet another maritime type or sea-bound animal that seems to be prevalent on Icelandic coins. which is wonderful for somebody like me doing an animal coin hunt, because it's virtually every single coin that Iceland produces has got an animal on it. The mintage for this 1986 coin is 2,144,000. We have two more coins on this. I've got two stacks of coins and we've got two left on the first stack. The penultimate one on the first stack is this one here. For those of you who know pre-decimal coins, you might well recognise this gentleman. That's George VI, the late Queen's father. This is a UK farthing, 1947. Now the farthing was a quarter of an old penny. So we have the portrait on this side, and then on the reverse, there we go. You back in focus? Yes you are. We have the reverse, we have the year, the red, which is the bird, and the value. The mintage for this 1947 farthing coin is 14,745,600. And I've still yet to get my farthing date run together. Now the last coin on this particular row is from Indonesia. It's a 50 rupee coin, as can be seen, and the year of manufacture, or the year of mintage, is 1971. On this side we have the value, the year and the country, and then on the reverse we also have the value for a second time, just in case you didn't get it off the other side, and the animal is a bird of paradise. This is a heavily minted coin. The mintage was 1,035,435,000. Hell of a mintage. Still a very nice bird of paradise. Alright, who recognises this? These have been shown several times on the World Coin Hunt, so you may well recognise it. It is a Georgian coin from 1993. It is a tetri, and the design is a Georgian sun symbol. I believe the actual thing is it's called a Bortigali, or Georgian sun symbol. The value of the coin is in tetri. That's T-E-T-R-I. And on the reverse we have a red deer, along with the value of 20. So this 20 tetri coin, the painter for this deer was taken directly from a painting by a famous Georgian painter by the name of Niko, and that's N-I-K-O, and his surname is Pirosman Ishvili, and that's Pirosmonishvili. I wish and I hope I could be forgiven if I mispronounced that name, and I do apologise if I did. Right, the next one. Bimetallic multi-sided coin. It is from the Seychelles. It is a 10 rupiah coin from 2018. On this side we have the COA, the country and the year. I think it says Bank of Seychelles or something on it, does it? Oh no, it's Republic of Seychelles, I do apologise. And the date of 2018. On the reverse, let's make sure I get this the right way up. There you go. This one is a bit more difficult to perhaps make out what it is. I thought at first when I first saw it, it was a bird, but it isn't. It's an Aldabra giant tortoise, and that's A-L-D-A-B-R-A, and then giant tortoise. And if we look, his head's here, and his shell goes around that way, and those are his legs. So, whoops, get them back in. It took me a while to decipher what it was because I was looking and seeing other things, but it's an unusual thing to have on a coin and one that I really enjoyed. Unfortunately for this coin from 2018 there is no mintage figures available. Here we go, this is a coin from Mauritius and it's a half rupee from 2016. The portrait of the man on the front is Sir Seymour Ramagulan. And then on the reverse side here we have the country, the year, the value and a, oops, let's get it back in there, sorry. So it has on this side the country name, the year, the value and a picture of a stag. There are no mintage figures for this coin. And you know what I was saying about Icelandic coins always being ones of that have sea animals on them? Well, this is another one. This is an Icelandic 1 krona coin from 2011. On this side we have Bagassi the Giant, which is the legendary figure that we have for this coin. And then on reverse we have the value, and we have a picture of a cod fish. The mintage value for this coin, or the mintage amount for this coin from 2011 is 5 million. 3 coins to go in this hunt, and this one here is South African. It is a 1 rand coin from 1993. On this side you have the coat of arms, the country and the year. Then on the reverse you have the value and the springbok. What I do like about these, some of these South African coins, they have the edge is stamped in further, so the actual image of the coin looks as if it's in a in a frame in effect. The mintage for this coin from 1993 is 37,977,000. The penultimate coin is a modern portrait of Elizabeth II, that's Queen. It's a Canadian coin, it's a Canadian portrait. It's a great portrait, and in some ways a lot gentler and a lot nicer than the ones that we have in the UK. So it shows the late Queen on there. As I said, it was a Canadian coin, and we could tell that on the back because we have the name of the country, we have the year of issue, and we have the value, and the value is 5 cents. The animal on this coin is a beaver that you can see in the centre of the coin. There is, as with most Canadian coins, it's quite a high mintage. The mintage is 221,472,000. Now the final coin for this hunt is one from the UAE, United Arab Emirates. We have the value on this side and the country name. It's a 25 fils coin, and the valuation is there. 5 being like a 0. So then on the back, or on the reverse of this coin, we have a gazelle. We have no mintage for this coin. I've rebagged the coins for me, ready for me to do the flipping and adding to my collection at a point in somewhere in the near future. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you have, could you please give me the thumbs up, and if you believe I deserve it, could you please subscribe to the channel. I am trying to grow the channel again this year, and with your help I hope to reach a target of 250 users. Oh sorry, 250 subscribers, and I'd love your support in getting to that figure. In the meantime, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you can find the coins that you're looking for. If you're having a hunt, if you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, hopefully in the very near future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.